Today we're taking out the Chevellle 1970 LS6.
Cool. So this is a 454 Chevellle SS LS6, one of 1,400 made, in beautiful condition, and the car is all original. The car is perfect. It's not for sale, but then again, if somebody's got 300 grand, I'll listen.
That's right. You hear that? You hear that, audience? 300,000 could be yours. Come. Well, we got it started. We're going to take it on the road for a ride now. Now we're riding along in the Chevellle. So now we're on the road cruising. We're taking some back streets right now. Just doing about 35 miles an hour. Can't go too crazy because it's community. But it's right. Look at the day. Absolutely gorgeous day. It's a dream. It's a dream come true. I'm riding in the 1970 LS6. Only 1,400 was made. I feel honored. I feel like a kid in the candy shop. So I'm on the street with it right now. It rides really nice. I mean, well comfortable. The street. Everyone's staring. Look at it. Paparazzi taking pictures. It's unbelievable. Look at it. Listen to the engine. This car really rumbles. You can hear it. This was one of the best cars made back then in the 70s. Driving it today in 2025. Still amazing. Once again, we're in the Chevrolet 1970 Chevrolet.
That's pretty good shape, huh?
Yeah, pretty good shape, fully restored. I'll walk around the car and show you the color details. But most of it, the interior is original. Most of the interior is original. Very nice. Kept up, pretty nice. This car's aggressive. It pulls hard. We're just cruising right now. Right up to little hesitation to start, but not too much. And we have air conditioning. This car came with air conditioning in the 70s? No. Yeah. This it did not have air conditioning in the 70s. It had It's a nice drive. Absolutely comfortable. Loud people passing by giving us a thumbs up. Very nice. It's actually a pleasure to drive in one of these cars. These cars were made before I was born. But I love these cars. I love classic cars. They're my favorite cars on the road right now. Anything from 50s, 60s, and 70s are my favorites. Pretty good. Yeah, it drives very nice. Comfortable. Has power. Let's watch out for the bump here. But this is a 1970 Chevrolet SS.
It's an LS6.
LS6. Not quite a few of them left back in the United States. This one is fully restored. This car was fully restored in the state of Florida. Right now we're not in Florida, we're up north. Gets a lot of attention. Everywhere we go, people is giving a compliment. People are all over it. So giving us thumbs up, shouting out, nice car, unbelievable. Absolutely fabulous. Look at the color.
A little dirty.
Look at the paint job on this. The camera won't give it justice. The paint job is phenomenal. Phenomenal. Look at the chrome. The details. Look at this. Guys, if you have a 1970 Chevelle, feel free to share with me your thoughts. Look at the stripes in the back.
Just tell me when I'm...
Even when we have history, sleepless nights, relentless days, broken dreams, selfless gaze. Them send them shots, still no grace.
450 horsepower out of the box from the dealership. Mine dynoed at 750 horse.